It's a crazy market, but there's still a lot of opportunities there for you. In fact, there's not a lot, but there's this one, 141 Patricia, super close to downtown Kitchener, also close to shopping as well. After you come through, I know you'll think, how about that? That was pretty nice. Did you ever actually think you would get your own single detached home with an open concept kitchen and room for a nice dinette that actually enables you to keep the main 4-bedroom as a 3rd bedroom? How about that? Plus, we can't forget that because this is an oversized 1.5 story, you actually have 2 large bedrooms upstairs. How about that? With a basement with a workshop space and laundry and huge rec room, not to mention a 1-piece bath, because sometimes that's all you need, your Saturday night plans are all set. How about that? There's a super deep backyard plus your own garage that would even fit a car. How about that? To think you almost gave up on finding your own single detached home, but you didn't. How about that? Watty, Chestnut Park.